Following the verdict by a California jury, financial markets delivered their own, sending Samsung shares down as much as 8% and pushing Apple stock prices to a new high. But even bigger than the billion-dollar penalty is the message it sends. Sasha Sagan is lead analyst for PC Magazine.
Well, all the other phone manufacturers are now scared that Apple is going to sue them based on these newly validated and quite powerful patents, especially that design patent for the front face of the iPhone. A lot of phones look like that.
Apple has submitted a list of 8 Samsung devices it wants banned for patent infringement, a move analysts say could cost Samsung billions more. But Macworld editor Armando Rodriguez says Samsung is not the only company affected.
It's also a smack to Google and Android, too, because that's what they're competing against.
In a written statement, Samsung called the verdict a loss for the American consumer. Law professor Robin Feldman agrees. She says the verdict will lead to less innovation, fewer choices, and higher prices for consumers.
When companies spend this kind of money on global battles, they have less to spend on innovation, and it's always the consumer who loses when that happens.
Apple, now the world's biggest company, is currently embroiled in a number of patent infringement cases against various companies, from Google to Microsoft, and the legal arguments could go on for years. At stake, says Feldman, is domination of the smartphone industry, now worth more than $200 billion a year and still growing. Mil Arcega, VOA News, Washington.